Hey guys, just wanted to share a quick update with you. I started to put together my personalized ebb and flow system for my aquatic plants, and I'm just going to go over a brief explanation of what I did, how I set it up. I'll do a more in-depth video maybe in a week or two and go over all the supplies I used and whatnot. But basically, so I have 4 storage totes. I don't know, they're about 30 inches long and 18 inches wide and approximately 16, 17 inches tall. And basically what I have here is 12 volt bilge pumps that you would see in boats. These are the smallest ones I can find, and they each have a switch that activates them. They run off a battery, which I like because eventually I'll probably hook that up to a cheap solar panel, and it'll be a fairly cheap system to run. I have a main reservoir that I pull water from. There's a pump there that pumps the water out of the reservoir into the first bin, and it slowly fills it up. You can see my high and low marks. So we'll sit at the high mark for about 20 minutes. So basically that fills, activates that pump, which goes into the next bin. Same thing, goes into the next bin, and then my last bin pumps back all the way to the starting point. I have this set to run 3 times a day, 8 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5 p.m. As you can see, I'm at about, I don't know if you can see that very well, 93% humidity and 71 degrees currently. I try to keep it around 70 degrees, but it does fluctuate a little bit between 70 and 73 degrees. I used lava stone for substrate, and this will require a lot of tweaking, so I installed valves so I could adjust the flow. And I have it adjusted pretty good right now, but I assume as, you know, time goes on, the pumps, you know, will pump more or less water, usually less when stuff gets caught up in the impeller and whatnot, so I'll have to continually adjust that. The water at the high mark gets well above the roots, and then low mark it exposes the roots to the air, and my hope is that they'll be able to grab some oxygen out of the atmosphere at the roots and promote healthier growth. This whole system here cost me probably around $200 total with everything. You could probably get away with doing it a little bit cheaper, but that's where I was at, and I don't think that's too bad. Everything you see here you could get either on Amazon, at Walmart, and at Lowe's, between the 3 of those, or you could get it all on Amazon if you wanted to. But yeah, the only modification I'm going to do here is I'm going to add an air stone into each one of the bins, 1 or 2 air stones, and that's it. Once I get these all filled up, I'll do a video a little bit more in depth, and I'll do links on the supplies that I used as well in my description. Thanks for watching.